Hey guys, so my name is Victor, and before I begin showing you guys anything that you're going to see in this portal, it's important to me that you know who I am and kind of know my story leading up to how I started my business and how literally in, a week time frame, I've literally exploded my business. And I can do the same thing for you. So, it's all about positioning yourself with the right team and the right group of people to build a business. So let me rewind back a little bit more. This is not my only business, but it's the one that I'm going to talk to you about today because I want to prove to you that you can make money online with a low ticket item before we start talking about a high ticket item so that you can learn how to get started. All right, so going into this, this is my Instagram, and I'm going to show you a little bit about who I am by using my Instagram. I'm going to show you guys some of the pictures on here and just kind of tell you guys my story as we go through here. So let's scroll down just a little bit. And yes, that is me with the tiger here on the left. We're going to start there. I don't know how many of you are fans of Ringling Brothers Barnum Bailey Circus, but I've made a career literally by being a tiger groomer and just, taking care of these big cats and just, taking care of their food, feeding them, nurturing them. I bottle fed big cats. I, played with big cats. I've been blessed to be able to be around Bengal tigers and actually be able to handle them and be with them like on a one-on-one basis, like face to face. And this train you're seeing here is the train that I live on. I live on this train. It's the Ringling Brothers Circus train. And I've been traveling all over the country doing that. Here we have a picture of me and my girlfriend watching the dolphin show in, I believe that was Atlanta, Georgia. Was that Atlanta, Georgia? Georgia Aquarium, yeah, really cool. Here's some It Works stuff, because I'm also a distributor with It Works. And I use the products. They're great products. And we're going to scroll down further down. And we're going to let these videos load up a little bit. There we go. Going down. And again, that's not my only business opportunity. That's actually not the one I'm going to talk to you guys about today. But you're more than welcome to ask about any of the opportunities that I'm involved in. All right. Just trying to scroll down to a cool video of me and the cats. But anyway, you get the point. I travel all over the country. I've done a lot of cool stuff. These are two of my favorite cats. These are my cubs, Princess and Shakira. And they're great cats. And here you see some more pictures of me with some other cats. You got me and that is Lou in this picture right here. This is Lou right here. This is India over here. And then some other animals that I've interacted with throughout the years. Going down. So yeah, you'll notice a lot of pictures of me and my girl here. She's very important to me. So anyway, we'll stop there. I was going to show you guys a cool video with the cats as well. Some of my friends doing some of their stuff, parkour stuff. But let's talk about the business now a little bit. And actually, I can click up there. There we go. Some pictures of me and my family, Vegas, me and my girl. This is my Facebook page now. Me and my aunt, yes. It's a tradition. I sit on Santa's lap every year. So you get to get kind of an idea of who I am and what I do. And so they're adding people into the group right now. And when we're done here, you'll be added to this as well. If you decide you want to talk to me, then I'll add you to one of the groups where we talk about how you can start your own online business. And now we're going to take you to the opportunity. This is Global Domains International. Been involved with them for 1 week. I'm already a premium member, and I'm a gold ambassador with the company already within 1 week. And I'm going to show you exactly why I'm able to do that. And I'm helping my team do the same thing. So you're going to go down here. Even if you've ever been involved with GDI or any kind of business online and you failed in the past, this will be an opportunity for you to get another chance at it or even get started. So this is my downline. I'm going to click on it really quickly here. And I should hopefully be able to see, like, show you what my downline is here. Do apologize. I'm living on a circus train, and the internet connection is not always the best. So it might take a little bit of time to load based on my signal. So we're going to try to fix the signal here. Okay. Thank you for bearing with me, by the way, and still sticking around. That tells me that you're interested. All right, so here we go. Scrolling down, and here you see my downline. You can see everybody that's in my team and who is active right now within the business. And so you see down here, you know, some people will actually tell you like, oh, I've got hundreds of people on my list, but they won't show you who's on their list. They'll just show you a little small thing there, but not show you the actual list. I'm not like that. I'm going to show you my list real quickly so you can see for yourself. So I've got about 30 people on my list right now that have already enrolled and are actively in my downline. So now you've gotten to see proof that they're in my team. And what's really important is look at the dates. If you look right here, and that's me making more money yet again. You heard that sound? That's my Online Sales Pro, which is another opportunity. It has nothing to do with this, but it's how I generate leads. It's one of the ways. I have multiple ways of generating leads. So we're looking at this now. And if you look at the dates here, you can see that the 6th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, you know, the 12th. So this is all within 1 week's period of time. I just literally got started doing this. And I've been generating leads nonstop. I've been building this downline. And you can see on the right that they are right underneath my video. You can see that they're premium, they're basic, they're premium, they're basic. So they're signed up on all different kinds of levels within my business. And the cool thing is that the people that get involved with me, working with me, I get to put you guys in a special group where I mentor you and I show you exactly what it is that I do. I don't charge extra to mentor you. I don't charge extra to guide you through a process like a lot of other people do to teach you what they know. I don't do that because honestly, I want you to be successful, because in this kind of business, I'm successful when I'm able to help you become successful. So I'm literally going to take you by the hand, bring you into our group if you decide to go ahead and fill out the form, and show you step by step how I do things. And it's a real simple process. You simply claim a spot in my team now and you pay later. You don't pay anything to get involved right now. You just claim a spot to be on the list so that you can find, so that I can assign to you a personal sponsor who's going to bring you into the opportunity. Now, why do I give you the ability to sponsor somebody instead, to be the person who refers them? Well, there's a couple of reasons why I do that. There's something that this particular company does, and it's that they give away a bonus, $100 bonus every time you personally sponsor 5 people within a week. So when you get placed on my list, my waiting list, to be able to enroll into the opportunity, I'm going to help you to generate those leads, because I'm already putting campaigns out there that are pulling in leads every single day. So what does this mean to you is that as people contact me and they say, hey, tell me more, I want to join your team, I'm putting them onto our list. They go on a waiting list. You're going to see the list in real time, because you're going to be able to talk to these people as well. Because your first line of communication is you send me a message directly to me. And after you fill this out, that's what it's going to do. It's going to take you to Messenger, where you can, if you're using your phone, you select Open in Messenger. If you're using your computer, you can just click Open in your computer. And it'll automatically take you directly to my Messenger page where you're able to communicate with me. You should see the name Victor Lizardi on there, or Victor R. Lizardi. And once you opt to talk to me, I'll see it. It'll say like waiting messages. And I'll go back and I'll come in and I'll talk to you. We'll see if we're a good fit. I'll show you a couple of videos. And then I'll take you to the group where you're able to talk to everyone in the group. And you'll see the list moving when we do the sponsoring process. So you'll just be waiting to basically be given five leads, so that this way you have the ability to earn that GDI $100 sign-in bonus. And I'm also going to help you build credibility, because by doing that, you become a gold ambassador in my business. So I take you from being just an affiliate to becoming a gold ambassador in our company. And from there, you can choose to do whatever you want to do with it. But there are steps, there are processes, and we're going to talk about those things. All you got to do is fill out this form. Then I can show you more. This is all I can show you right now. You fill out the form and you reach out and talk to me, and then I can show you more when I'm able to talk to you, because there are a lot of people that are daily messaging me, and I've got to go down the list. I've got to talk to each one of them, and I take the time to do that. I don't look for thousands of people to fill my opportunity all at once. I look for 5 to 10 people every single day, and I add them to my list. And when my list is about 30 to 40 people that are ready to join the opportunity, then we do what's called a sponsoring session. And that's when I give the 5 leads to each person that has come through the opportunity. And the cool thing is, you don't got to pay anything right now to get involved. You just got to get on my list. That's it. You're just getting on my list so that I can sponsor you. And I call this messenger marketing. I invented this thing called messenger marketing. And it's really cool. It's really cool because I'm going to be able to help you do exactly what I just did. Look at this thing right here. And if you want to take it one step further and you want to use the tools that I use and be able to branch off and start your own team, I'll get you started. I'll help you do that. And you'll make even more money because I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate this process over and over and over again. And every week, you're signing 30 to 60 people on your own if you follow what I'm teaching you. It's very possible for you to do that. So all you got to do is literally copy and paste what I do, and I want to be your mentor. So this is from the circus train, Ringling Brothers. My name is Victor Lizardi. I'm a tiger groomer, and thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and fill out the form. How do I stop the recording? There you go.